Welcome to TeleHope. After the blizzard, a little boy was shocked when his father opened the door, revealing over a foot of snow. The boy felt trapped and wondered, how can we ever get out? Don't worry, Dad answered. I will clear the way. With that, he kicked the snow from the landing and began to shovel the walk away. And soon he was outdoors, enjoying the sunshine and playing in the snow. From time to time, blizzards of all types come into our lives. They can cause us to feel just as trapped. Yet, when we turn to Christ and allow Him to lead the way, we can emerge from our trials into the sunlight of better a day. Christ suffered for you, leaving you an example that you should follow in his steps. 1 Peter 2:21. When faced with a frightening situation, may we put our fears aside, turn to you in faith. Amen.